Okay, so judging from what this space was when we bought this house to all the renovations, remodeling, and today finally being able to furnish it, it's so surreal, guys. Oh my gosh. So today we are gonna furnish and turn this living room from this to this. Okay, guys, so from the very first day we walked into this living room, I mean, the very first day we saw this house, guys, I was in love. I was mesmerized. But of course, when we saw the living room, I knew eventually, right, when we move in and we renovate, that I was going to be using a drape, guys. And I'm so excited, guys, because I received my what do I even call it, my dream drapes, guys. I mean, when you're thinking about luxury when it comes to a drape, your cotton, definitely check out the hues, because when I tell you guys, this cotton, like the weight of it, the luxury feel of it, the quality of it is just is out of this world, guys. So basically, as you guys can see, I'm going ahead to unbox it, and my ceiling is 22-foot ceiling, guys. So I have the drapes, I believe, in 20 inches. So like I wanted that very nice elongated look with the drapes. Of course, you guys know, when you're hanging your drape, this is not a new thing, guys. Everybody knows that when you're hanging your drape, you want to go all the way above the cotton, what is it called, the cotton molding, like not the cotton molding, the window molding. That way, you extend your rod all the way almost to the ceiling. Some people actually attach their rod to the ceiling, guys, and then it drapes all the way. And the reason for this trick is it gives it that very nice elongated feel. And as you guys can see, I have this cotton rod right here, because this cotton is such a luxury cotton. It has a pretty good weight to it. So I knew I needed more like a cotton, like a metal rod. So that was why I picked up the Origin 21 cotton rod from, I believe, from Lowe's. And then my contractor, he went ahead and just hung the cotton, and that cotton looked so good. But of course, when we did this build out in the living room, the TV wasn't the perfect fit. So we knew we needed a new TV, for the living room. So as you guys can see here, I have my TV. I have the Roku streamer. If you're familiar with Roku, this one, it's like the new upgrade, guys. It comes with the Roku itself, and also it comes with the remote, and then it comes with a very nice speaker. If you love like using speaker on your TV, like when you're watching a movie or something, you want to get that movie theater feel to, in your home, this speaker is so nice. And the fact that you don't need to purchase the Roku stick. I remember before we used to use the Roku stick, you plug it behind your TV, but with this one right here, you don't even need to use the Roku stick no more, because the Roku is inside the speaker. So they send the cord that you connect it with. And of course, also, guys, we were so happy to partner with Best Buy for this, for this portion of the video. They sent us the TV, the Roku. As you guys can see, I just unboxed the Beats headphone. I was so excited. And also we had the TV mount, from Best Buy. Best Buy is the perfect place for you to visit if you're thinking of, giving gifts with, tech, or if you're thinking of upgrading your home with tech, maybe TV, maybe electronics, anything you're thinking of, guys. So of course, once the curtain, the drapes are in, the TV is in, we went ahead to start start furnishing, guys. And of course, the very first thing I went ahead to do would be to set my rug down, because like I always tell you guys, using your rug is kind of an anchor to your decor or to your styling or to your furnishing. So as you guys can see, of course, we did a brand new floor, but to anchor the whole furniture, you want to go ahead and use a rug. So I'm so in love with this rug, guys. As you guys can see, it has touches of like cream, black, and also like a sprinkle of gold to it, which is basically what we are working with in this new home, guys. We have black, white, and gold. That's the three colors, you know, like everywhere in the house it's gonna be having. Of course, we are first furnishing the living room, but the kitchen, the family room, the great everywhere, guys. But yep, as you guys can see, I went ahead and laid this down, and of course this rug, everything is going to be linked in my description box. And once the rug is down, I went ahead, there's no we here, guys. Hubby actually went to pick up the kids from school, so, and they stopped somewhere before they got home. So before they got home, I was already finished. But literally, as you guys can see, I moved the furniture myself, you know. I'm trying, you know. I was so proud of myself when I was done with this. So I went ahead and I moved in the furniture, and oh my gosh, guys, you see this sofa. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. So basically it comes in two parts. As you guys can see, I went ahead and I laid the first part down, and then I brought in the second part of the sofa. And one thing I absolutely love about this sofa is, you know, a sofas like this, guys, I don't know why it is that some manufacturers, they don't think we in the sense that some people might want to use two sofas, right? So some of them just do one, like the right, how do I explain this? So some of them do like one-sided sofa, whereby, especially a sofa like this, right, you need it to have a left and a right. I don't know if I'm making sense, but one thing I absolutely love about this sofa is the fact that the manufacturer, they were so considerate to make it whereby you can use it by the left, and also you can use it, like if you have two sofas, there is one for the left and there is one for the right. This is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. You see how that one is facing by the left and that the other one is by the right. But most manufacturers, they just do right sofas. So that means if you're trying to use two different sofas in your living room, it's not going to work. One is going to be facing south, the other one is going to be facing north, if I'm making sense. But anyways, guys, I went ahead and I added my floor lamp. If you know me well, you know I absolutely love having floor lamp in my living room. So now, guys, I'm so happy for this coffee table. It took me quite a while to decide on what coffee table we are going to be using for this living room, or the great room. We actually call it the great room because we also have another place that is the living room, and then we have the family room. So basically we call this one the great room. So I was looking for the perfect coffee table to use here, and I was so in love. Like, I was so happy when I finally found this coffee table. It's really like, it's just the perfect blend of luxury, functionality, and also the aesthetics. The fact that it's you know, it's kind of is this a square or a rectangle? And then you see the inside, it's kind of open on the inside. It's just the perfect coffee table for this space right here. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and added that. And all along, the first time I saw this house, I immediately designed it in my head, guys. You know how you see something and you're like, okay, you literally furnish it in your head. That was how it was the very first time I saw this house, and I knew immediately. I saw the house, the living room, not the house, of course, the house and also the living room, but immediately I saw it, I had this vision, I had this thing in my head, the way I wanted it to look. I knew I wanted two sofas and then two kind of barrel chairs, guys. And this barrel chair is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's like the perfect barrel chair. It's so luxurious, it's so rich, it just looks so good. So I picked up two of these chairs right here, and as you guys can see, I added one over there, and then I'm unboxing one right now. And this really, like, it anchored the whole living room. It tied the whole living room together. So I have two sofas and then two armchairs. And of course, you guys know we're going to need some end table in the living room. So that's basically what I'm unboxing. And one thing I absolutely love about this end table is the fact that it reminds me of an engagement ring. Guys, look at this and tell me if I'm lying. Doesn't this end table remind you of an engagement ring? The shape of it, and then the glass. I'm currently unboxing the glass that comes with it, but you guys are gonna see how this looks. It's like, I don't know, it's like the perfect end table for the space where I want to have it in, as you guys can see. And also, this is like the first gold I'm introducing to the living room. As you guys can see, like I said, I'm working with white, black, and gold, and that end table right there is a gold end table, and it fits perfectly in that space. And of course, in between the barrel chairs, I decided to add an end table right there. As you guys can see, this one right here, it's been with us for years. I actually just put it in the storage. I forgot about it, but then when it was time for us to move, I went to our storage, and then I realized I had a lot of furniture stored away in the storage. But anyways, you guys, I went ahead and added that end table in between the barrel chairs, and also added my lamp. And we're gonna go ahead and add a plant, because you guys know that adding a green plant to any decor is like, it brings in life, it brings in, you know, richness to the space. And that is basically it, you guys. Listen, everything you see in today's video is gonna all be linked in my description box. You guys, this video is probably gonna be going up on Thanksgiving Day, and you guys know, of course, after Thanksgiving it's Black Friday, so definitely most of the things you guys are seeing here is gonna be on sale. So definitely try and check out my description box, and till my next video, I'm gonna see you all very, very soon. Bye.